I've got one question for you, and it's a really silly one. Would you like to have more income? And of course, most people are going to say yes. Now, what does that really mean? More income often means more work, but we're in an environment right now in our economy where being able to generate more income from work is very difficult. We're in the middle of a recession, pay rises aren't there, and more everyday Australians, millions of them now, have lost their job as we slide into this recession. So what can you do to recession-proof yourself and insulate yourself from the stress that comes from not having enough income? My name is Andrew Braxter. I've been a professional trader and investor now for almost 30 years. More importantly though, I've coached and educated tens of thousands of everyday people, perhaps just like you, on how they can successfully invest in the stock market, either for cash flow or growth, and manage risk at the same time. The strategy we use is something called cash flow on demand, and it's an incredibly powerful strategy that's been helping our clients in the current market to be banking 2.5%, in some cases 3% a week regularly as extra income. Now, financial freedom for many people isn't about driving around in a red Ferrari, especially right now with how the economy is. Financial freedom for most people these days is an extra $400 or $500 a week coming in as a side hustle income, buying time back, reducing stress, and making sure that the impending recession that we're going to have does not negatively impact on you or your family. Cash flow on demand is a really smart strategy. I want you to think about property just for a moment. It's not a property strategy, but imagine if you owned a number of investment properties but didn't put a tenant in. You'd miss out on the rent. If you currently own shares and you don't use this strategy, it's exactly the same. You're missing out on the rent or the monthly or weekly income that we can help you generate. And that can really build up. Time investment, if you've got 30 minutes a week, you've got enough time for this because we've developed systems to make this one of the most time-effective, passive, side hustle type forms of income that you can have. Worried about risk? We'll show you how you can protect your investments. In fact, I'll show you how you can insure your shares. So if we see another correction in the marketplace, your shares are protected and insulated, eliminating that downside risk for you. How do we do that? Very simple. It starts with education. And unfortunately, so many people are closed. They'll see a pop-up like this on Facebook and go, what could this clown possibly teach me? I don't know. I probably can't teach you anything if you're closed-minded. Good luck on your journey. But if you're somebody that's open, just like the tens of thousands of people I have been able to help, we're going to go on a journey that will simply blow you away. So what's involved? Click on the link below. I want to host you on a live training event where I can walk you through step by step, paint by numbers, exactly how we can help you get up and running. And this isn't something that's going to take you years to get started with. Once you embark on this journey, you can be live in the market within just a couple of weeks, all backed up with the support, infrastructure, and expertise of me and my team. Hit the button below, register for the event, and it will be my privilege to be your coach, guide, and mentor as I help you on this journey to recession-proof you and your family using cash flow on demand.